Assalamu alaikum guys. Inshallah today's recipe, two quick chilled drinks. One is a sweet lassi and the other one's going to be a mango lassi inshallah. Very easy to make. Everyone can do this, so you all need to try this, especially with all this hot weather right now. Okay, so I'm going to get straight into it inshallah. So you need 1 cup of mango pulp. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 1 cup of yogurt. I'm using the Greek yogurt. Bismillah. But you can use any yogurt. There's no harm in using any yogurt. Bismillah. But the Greek yogurt, it tastes better. And 2 tablespoons of sugar, or sugar to taste. And about 1/4 of a cup of water, chilled water that is. Bismillah. 2 ice cubes. And give it a quick blend. Guys, look at this. Bismillah ar-Rahman, nice and thick, homemade lassi, mango lassi, mashallah, alhamdulillah. Beautiful, mashallah. And it's so simple to make. Try it at home guys and let me know how you get on. I'm just going to garnish it, just sprinkle it with a bit of almonds and pistachio, but this is only optional. It's up to yourselves. But it's a really cooling drink. You can add a bit more ice cubes if you want before garnishing it with almonds and pistachio, but I don't like too much ice cubes in mine, so I'm going to leave it like that. And I'm going to move on to my favourite, which is the sweet lassi. I prefer that compared to this mango one, but this mango one is a lovely lassi. I'm going to move straight to the sweet lassi inshallah. So you need 2 cups of yogurt in this. Again, I'm using Greek yogurt. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. That's 1 cup. And that's 2 cups. I'm going to add 1/2 cup of water in this one. Sugar to taste, I'm putting in 2 tablespoons. A couple of ice cubes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And give it a quick blend. And look at this, mashallah, bismillah ar-Rahman. The sweet lassi is also ready. Bismillah ar-Rahman. Same again, I'm going to garnish and just put a bit of pistachio and almonds on top. But this is, like I say, it's optional. You don't have to do this. Bismillah. And that's your sweet lassi, mashallah. Look at this. Bismillah. Mashallah guys, look at these. Mango lassi on the right, sweet lassi on the left. Both beautiful drinks, excellent drinks for the summer days. You need to try these guys and let me know in the comment section how you get on. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.